Hey, tell Mr. Pitso.
Hey, shapuzi braga.
Manaka.
Hey, tarai. Get on.
Sure. Can you tell us a little bit about yourself and your business?
All right, I'm Itumeleng Pitso from Pretoria, Denville. Well, the name of the business is Boka Gardening. Well, the whole idea of the business is selling mint. We all know that mint is a herb. It's very good with benefits of the health. So actually there's a lot I can mention about mint, but I'll just mention a few of benefits. It's good in indigestion. It helps with, actually prevents cancer. It helps with headache. It helps with asthma. It helps with bronchitis. If you want to lose weight, you can see nowadays people are in gyms. So if you want to lose weight quickly, you can use mint. You just drink it the way it is, or you can just mix it with tea. And also for your face, on your skin, it's also good as well for dark spots, acne. If you want to grow your hair faster, you can also use it, but you use it with an oil. It's mint oil, that one. So yeah, it also helps with growing of beards for the gentlemen, most for the ladies. It also helps with dandruff, itchy scalp. Most the hairline is the most important thing with the ladies. So ladies, this one is for you, mint oil. I'm your guy.
So can you tell us how you got into the business?
Well, I got into the business, the reason being, most now we are facing unemployment in South Africa. So I'm the only person who's working here at home. My wife is not working, so one salary, my brother, it's killing me. So actually it's killing a lot of households. So I had to come up with a plan. Well, the first thing first, mint is actually the second idea. Yeah. The first idea was gardening. So now the gardening one, no, I just said no. It needs a lot of time. So, and me with time, I don't have time. So I just had to come up with another plan that I can manage while I'm not at home, being far away, because Spanisaga, I travel a lot. So now at least I know when I'm not around, my wife can also assist me on that, and it's very simple to mix. Yeah. So yeah, so mint started with one root of mint, yeah. And then I just planted the mint, and then keep on putting water, fertilizers as well. So mint takes a lot of water. You need to water mint.
Is it?
Yeah. So yeah, that's how business started, my brother.
So you're an entrepreneur through and through. I mean, you've been doing gardening, and then now you want to do products.
Yes, no, that's true. Well, the entrepreneurship is being long there, but I took time to actually pursue it. Up until now, I said no. Now I'm a man, I should stand on my own and say no. Hey, one salary. Then it pushed me to come up with that plan to say no. I must make something out of my other means of income.
Why did you choose mint products?
Well, as I said, my brother, mint, when it started, I started using it, mixing it with Sprite. I put
Sprite and mint?
Yes. The taste of Sprite and mint is very, very beautiful. It's nice. Yeah. So now, since I started that way, I said, no, man, maybe mint, I can do something with mint. Mm. So that's how the idea came about. I started first with Sprite, and then I started with Mojito. I said, no, the taste is very nice. So how about I research more about mint and find out what more can I do, because mixing with Sprite it's actually for me only. So I want to help others. You understand? Yes. Yeah. So that's how it came about, my brother.
So if let's say now a restaurant wants supply of mint, can you cater that for them?
For now, the garden is too small, but for now I can cater them for maybe, let's say, 20 bags or maybe 10 bags.
That's like a week or in a month?
In a week, I can do that in a week. In a monthly, so I have another garden in Atterisville. but it's not actually my garden, it's someone's garden, but at least we have understanding with him. So if I want mint, I also go to him and request more mint. So if the demand is that high, that's when now I have another option of going to the guy and also ask for mint.
Can you tell us about your mint products?
Well, here I have mint sugar scrub.
Yeah. What does that do?
Well, this one is for face.
That's before I wash my face or what? After?
No, you wash your face first,
Yeah.
and then after you apply sugar scrub,
Yeah.
and then you wait for a couple of minutes, 5 minutes or 10 minutes or so. It's up to you, but I recommend that you take 5 minutes,
Yeah.
and then you wash it off. You after that you apply another product that you want to apply, but this one is just for dark spots, acne, yeah, it's for that only. It's for the face, yeah. That's it, yeah.
So I can't apply it anywhere else on my body. It's just for the face.
No, this one's
Only for the face.
you can still apply it on your skin,
Yeah.
but this one I recommend that you use it on your face because it's a small, you know. This container is very small.
No, come and stock more, Mr. Pitso.
Well, yes. If you put it that way, then yeah, I agree. You can also apply it on your foot.
On your toes.
Yeah, on your toes. Yeah, it's not actually for your face only.
I mean, it's a great product for a spa. Let's say a lady wants to go to a spa and,
That's it.
Yes, I believe that
Yes.
if they can stock it in high supplies, then
Yeah, yes.
it shouldn't matter where it's applied on the body, right?
Yes. No, that's true. And here I have oil as well. This one is mint oil.
Mint oil. What does that do?
Mint oil assists, as I said before, it assists with hair fast. It helps with grow fast hair.
Yeah.
You want to grow your beard, it helps with.
I like the beard part.
Yes, I can see also you are growing your part, so you'll be my customer as well.
Yeah.
Yeah, it helps with dandruff.
Yeah.
It helps with itchy scalp. If you have itchy scalp, it helps with regaining your hairline. This one also, my brother, you can also use it on your skin.
Is it?
Yes.
So just to make sure everything is organic, right? You don't use any chemicals.
No. Organic, straight organic. No chemicals, nothing at all. Yeah.
And then how much does that container cost?
Well, firstly, I started with this one at first.
Yeah.
So I was selling 30 rand, this one.
30 rand.
Yes, it was 30 rand.
No, that's a good price.
Yes, it was 30 rand, and then I came to this. This one is 50 milliliter, and this one is 100 milliliters. Yeah. So I thought, no, man, 50 milliliter is too small. Yeah. How about I increase the liters and make it 50 milliliters? So now I don't have this one with the mint scrub.
Okay.
Yeah, but next time when you come, I will have both mint oil this size, and as well as sugar scrub this size.
What's the other product?
This one it's raw mint now, the actual mint.
Yeah.
This is mint.
Yes.
I didn't package it well nicely, but this is the package.
Yeah.
When it's full, it's 20 rands.
The whole thing.
The whole thing. When it's full, it's up to here.
Yeah.
Yes. It's 20 rand.
Yeah.
The fresh mint. If you can smell it.
That's great. So you're saying that package right over there is 20 rand.
Yes.
And then if I wanna stock something huge, for now you're saying that how many packages can you actually do? Let's say I'm a restaurant.
Yeah.
I want some of your supplies.
Yes.
How many packages can you actually do for me right now?
Right now,
Yeah.
I can make these packs 10
Yes.
to 15.
Okay.
Yes.
All right. So how long does it take for you to grow the mint?
To grow the mint, I can't say long, probably 2 to 3 weeks.
2 to 3 weeks.
Yes.
So it means I can stock 30 of those today and then come back next month and get another 30.
Yes, that's correct.
So what are your plans of expansion?
Well, I don't know if maybe you noticed when you came in.
Yeah.
I'm also making a garden on top there.
Okay.
Yes, there's actually the extension of a garden. So, but for now it does not look so quite well because I'm still busy with it.
Yeah.
But that's the plan that I have for now
Okay.
to extend the garden.
Awesome.
Yeah.
Can you maybe tell us anything else about your business?
Well,
People get in touch with you.
Well, right now I'm running a Facebook, which is Boka Gardening. You can find it on Facebook for now. Well, in contacts, well, I've my wife also. She's also doing Facebook.
Yeah.
So, but I'm still, hustling. I'm going out there, standing there, the corners, the robots. You understand? So I'm out there. So if you want to order one of the products, just give me a call. Contact me via Facebook. I think that one is it's simple. Yeah, it's much easier. But well, when you see me around the corners there, where you see me,
Yeah.
my vehicle has stickers. You can see the products. You can see the benefits of the product. You can stop me and ask me.
I really think your product can work for, like I said, spas.
Yes.
It can work nicely with restaurants.
Yes.
Because, they do a lot of mixing and stuff like that.
Yes.
So, yeah, I just wanted to emphasize the market.
The market.
Yeah.
Well, for now, the business hasn't reached that far yet.
Yeah.
It's still growing. So
I want you to convince me. Let's say you are selling that packet of mint over there.
yes.
What am I supposed to do with it at home?
At home?
Let's say I'm just a normal customer. I don't even know what mint is.
Okay.
And then you come and propose that I buy that package.
Okay.
What am I supposed to do with it?
Well, this one
Yes.
is raw mint.
Yes.
When you get home, you boil it. Firstly, you wash it. You need to wash it.
Yeah.
You wash it. After washing it, you boil it. You make tea, mint tea. And then you put honey, and then you drink. Or you can mix it with any tea that you like. For an example,
And what does it help me do?
well,
Just to,
it assists with indigestion.
yeah.
It helps with cold flu. Most you have running nose, you blocked nose. It helps with asthma. It helps with what else? Headache.
Yeah.
There is a lot, my brother. I can mention a lot. It helps with allergy. People who are suffering from allergy. It also helps.
Is it?
Yeah.
Okay.
It has a lot of benefits.
That's great to know.
Yeah.
So all we have to do is contact you
Yes.
on Facebook.
On
Doesn't matter where I am in the country.
Yes. Doesn't matter.
And then do I have to pay for shipment? Because you are based in Pretoria,
Yes.
I'm based in Joburg.
Yes.
I want to order stuff.
Okay.
What is the process? Do I just buy and then you deliver them or what?
Well, in that case, you just buy and then I deliver. But delivering, it will depend on location. How far is the location? That's when now I'll charge based on the kilometers from where I am to where I'm going.
Oh, so you actually travel all the way to the Val?
Yes,
All the way to Joburg?
Yes, I do travel.
Oh.
Yes.
I thought maybe I have to set up, what's this? Call people to come and deliver it for me. You don't do that.
I can also do that. It's optional. I can also do that. I can also courier. If you really need it that quickly, yeah, I can also courier.
But you like to personally.
But I like personally to go and
And know your client.
and know my client and actually have a conversation with my client and explain more, because sometimes people don't want to read.
Yeah.
And Google is there for them to find more benefits about me. But sometimes when you are there with one-to-one person and speaking, you understand,
Yeah.
people have more knowledge of what you are selling.
Yeah.
I prefer that way, my brother.
All right.
Yeah.
Thank you so much for your time, Mr. Pitso.
Thank you, sir.
Do you have anything else you want to add?
Well, If you're looking for me, customers of South Africa, you know where to find me. Facebook. Contact me any time of the day, night.
Yeah, but my concern is, let's say I'm in Cape Town.
Yeah.
I want your product.
Yes.
What is the setup? Are you gonna drive to Cape Town?
No.
Okay.
No, with that one of Cape Town is very far, my brother. That one will do a career. That way it's simple and fast and quick.
Yeah.
Yeah, to Cape Town, maybe it will depend in days. Maybe you can get your product within 2 to 3 days maximum.
Okay.
Yeah.
No, that's great. So
Yeah.
courier is the best.
It's the best way. It's the best way to go.
But you would want to advise the customers that are around Gauteng that you can come through and actually have a conversation.
That's true. That's true.
All right.
Yes, sir.
Thank you so much for your time.
Thank you, my brother. Thank you, my brother.
All right.
Sure.